Now tourist.
Fish and food.
I catch big fish. Baramandi. You know Baramandi? Baramandi. Rockfish.
Fish такой.
Да. Rockfish, Baramandi.
You go fishing.
Да. In the night. After evening.
Как ты ловишь ты ее?
Сюда.
No.
Of the mountain, kirim.
Способ.
Like this, rod,
Rod.
Trolling.
Trolling.
trawling to the, that's
Trolling?
Trawling and,
And spinning.
yeah, spinning and trawling.
Have you bought for this?
Huh?
For trolling, have you bought?
Опа, гармонь, да?
Oh.
Now we sell and we buy another one, big one. I know, like many people know me. Because we Goa people, I Goa. Me, respect you. Ruski, respect.
We all, we do respect the Indians.
Ruski people.
I respect all people.
Me, no behind the money. Me behind money. We Goa, Ruski, important. Moscow, Goa, important. Europe people, they go Kerala, Karnataka, then. But Ruski, Goa.
Карнатака это южная Гоа, да?
And money.
Карнатака южная Гоа, да? Далеко это?
Without money impossible.
Yeah. If they make you full, you can contact me. Here, they make you full, you contact me.